Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Your next promotion is not just a step up in your career, it's a step closer to your dreams, your respect, and your financial growth. The bank promotion exams 2026 2027 are your golden opportunity, and I am here to make sure you grab it with both hands. In this journey, we'll learn smart strategies, master important topics, and tackle questions just like the exam demands. Remember, success does not come to those who wait, it comes to those who prepare. So let's start today. Prepare smartly and make your promotion in 2026 2027 a reality. Welcome to part 36 of my Path to the Corner Office 2026-2027 series, where we break down real bank promotion exam questions and give you clear, practical sample answers to help you climb the career ladder faster. Subject: Deposit Policy. Question: In the case of short deposits repayable within 180 days, interest is calculated on the basis of how many days in a year? Option A: 360 days always. Option B: 365 days or 366 days in a leap year. Option C: 366 days always. Option D: 365 days always. Correct answer is option B: 365 days or 366 days in a leap year. Question: In case of monthly income certificate (MIC scheme), interest is paid monthly. Option A at the full quarterly component rate. Option B at a discounted value of interest for 1 month. Option C only after 6 months. Option D at the savings bank rate. Correct answer is option B at a discounted value of interest for 1 month. Question: The minimum age at which a minor may independently open and operate a savings bank account, provided they can read and write, is option A 8 years, option B 10 years, option C 12 years, option D 14 years. Correct answer is option B 10 years. Question: When a minor whose account was operated by guardian attains majority, what document must be obtained before allowing the erstwhile minor to operate the account? Option A fresh nomination form only. Option A balanced confirmation letter duly signed by the erstwhile minor. Option C an affidavit from a magistrate. Option D a fresh PAN card copy only. Correct answer is option B a balanced confirmation letter duly signed by the erstwhile minor. Question: For opening an account of an illiterate person, the bank requires option A only a passport size photo. Option B the person to call personally along with witness known to both depositor and bank. Option C notarized undertaking from a lawyer. Option D video KYC only without personal visit. Correct answer is option B the person to call personally along with a witness known to both depositor and bank. Question: Under whose authority may a legal guardian be appointed to operate accounts of persons with autism, cerebral palsy, mental retardations, and multiple disabilities? Option A only by the Reserve Bank of India. Option B by the District Court under the Mental Health Act 1987 or local level committees under the National Trust Act 1999. Option C by the bank's branch manager unilaterally. Option D by the municipal corporation. Correct answer is option B by the District Court under the Mental Health Act 1987 or the local level committee under the National Trust Act 1999. Question: The prescribed salutations for a transgender customer as per the policy is option A MRS, option B MX, option C MS, option D Sir or Madam. Correct answer is option B MX. Question: All bank deposits are covered under the insurance scheme offered by option A IRDA, option B DICGC, option C NABARD, option D SIDBI. Correct answer is option B DICGC. Question. While prematurely closing a term deposit, the applicable rate of interest paid is option A always the contracted rate regardless of tenure run. Option B the card rate applicable to applicable on the date of acceptance for the period the deposit remained or the contracted rate whichever is lower minus penalty. Option C always the highest slab rate available. Option D the savings bank rate irrespective of the period. Correct answer is option B the card rate applicable on the date of acceptance for the period the deposit remained or the contracted rate whichever is lower minus penalty. Question. No interest is paid for premature withdrawal of a term deposit other than recurring or NRE within how many days of placement? Option A 3 days, option B 7 days, option C 15 days, option D 30 days. Correct answer is option B 7 days. Question. No interest is paid on premature withdrawal of a recurring deposit within option A 1 month, option B 3 months, option C 6 months, option D 12 months. Correct answer is option B 3 months. Question. No interest is paid on premature withdrawal of an NRE term deposit within option A 3 months, option B 6 months, option C 12 months, option D 24 months. Correct answer is option C 12 months. Question. Bank may disallow premature withdrawal of a large rupee term deposit for deposits of option A rupees 1 crore and above, option B rupees 2 crore and above, option C rupees 3 crore and above, option D rupees 5 crore and above. Correct answer is option C rupees 3 crore and above. Question. In case of premature renewal of a term deposit, the interest for the broken period is paid at option A the originally contracted rate always, option B the rate applicable to the period the deposit remained with the bank or contracted rate whichever is lower, option C the current card rate for the renewed tenure, option D a flat penal rate of 1%. Correct answer is option B the rate applicable to the period the deposit remained with the bank or contracted rate whichever is lower. Question. If a term deposit matures and proceeds remain unpaid and unclaimed by the depositor, the amount attracts interest at option A the contracted rate regardless of comparison, option B savings account rate or contracted rate on the matured TD whichever is lower, option C a fixed 2% flat rate, option D no interest at all. Correct answer is option B savings account rate or contracted rate on the matured TD whichever is lower. Question. If a term deposit matures on a non-business working day and payment cannot be effected, the bank shall pay interest at option A 0 interest rate for the intervening non-business day, option B the originally contracted rate on the original principal for the intervening non-business day, option C double the contracted rate, option D the savings bank rate for the intervening period. Correct answer is option B the originally contracted rate on the original principal for the intervening non-business day. Question. Premature withdrawal of a term deposit under either a survivor or former survivor mandate by the surviving depositors on death of the other is permitted. Option A only with court order. Option B only if a joint mandate to this effect was given by the depositors. Option C never permitted under any conditions. Option D only after 10 years from account opening. Correct answer is option B only if a joint mandate to this effect was given by the depositors. Question. In the absence of nominations and with no disputes among claimants, a bank may pay the deceased account's balance against joint applications and indemnity without insisting on legal documents subject to option A an unlimited amount at branch discretion, option B a limit approved by the bank's board, option C a statutory cap of rupees 1 lakh fixed by RBI, option D only for amounts below rupees 10,000. Correct answer is option B a limit approved by the bank's board. Question. If a depositor dies before maturity of a term deposit but the amount is claimed after maturity, interest for the period between maturity and payment is paid. Option A at the contracted rate throughout. Option B at simple interest at the applicable rate prevailing on date of maturity for the period beyond maturity. Option C at double the applicable rate. Option D at zero interest. Correct answer is option B at simple interest at the applicable rate prevailing on date of maturity for the period beyond maturity. Question. The bank may grant a loan against a minor's own term deposit provided. Option A. The minor personally signs the loan documents. Option B. A suitable declaration is furnished by the guardian stating the loan benefits the minor. Option C. Only a court order permits such lending. Option D. No loan can ever be sanctioned against a minor's deposit. Correct answer is option B. A suitable declaration is furnished by the guardian stating the loan benefits the minor. Question. Domestic and NRO 2P term deposits can normally be opened for a maximum period of option A 5 years, option B 7 years, option C 10 years, option D 15 years. Correct answer is option C 10 years. Question. The minimum period for which NRE term deposits can be opened is option A 6 months, option B 7 days, option C 1 year, option D 2 years. Correct answer is option C 1 year. Question. Splitting of deposits refers to option A dividing a single deposit into two branches for tax purposes. Option B multiple term deposits made with the same value date and same maturity period in a single customer ID within threshold limit regardless of scheme code. Option C splitting FD interest between two nominees. Option D converting an FD into an RD midway. Correct answer is option B. Multiple term deposits made with the same value date and same maturity period in a single customer ID within threshold limits regardless of scheme code. Question. Multiple deposits exceeding what threshold created for different specific purposes with the same value date and tenor are excluded from the purview of splitting of deposits subject to supporting documents. Option A rupees 1 crore, option B rupees 2 crore, option C rupees 3 crore, option D rupees 5 crore. Correct answer is option C rupees 3 crore. Question. NRO accounts are primarily meant to hold funds representing option A only foreign income of NRIs, option B local bona fide transactions income of the NRI in India, option C only capital gains from Indian real estate, option D only dividend income. Correct answer is option B local bona fide transactions income of the NRI in India. Question. Balances in an NRO account of NRIs, PIOs are remittable up to what amount per financial year, subject to conditions. Option A USD 5 lakh, option B USD 1 million, option C USD 2 million, option D USD 2.5 lakh. Correct answer is option B USD 1 million. Thank you very much for your patience. Request to like, subscribe and share.